Where are we going today?
To the airport.
And where are we going after the airport?
Oh, okay. To Germany, Poland, and the Czech Republic.
Yay!
You don't like escalators?
Where are we going next?
Frankfurt.
Are you excited?
So excited.
Olivia, are you excited?
Yes.
Sarah, are you excited? Of course. We just landed in Frankfurt and it is like 6 or 7 a.m. It's like 1 a.m. Canadian time and we need to catch a flight to Berlin and we need to get some coffee. I'm with Rachel. We have made it to Frankfurt and we all got randomly checked at security. It was a good time. How was your pat down? Rated on 1 to 10. How was the pat down?
Oh, 2.
Oh, amazing. It is 11:55 and we just arrived at the hotel. We couldn't check in yet, but we got a room so we could like get presentable, you know. And now I'm not sure what we're doing. Going to Berlin to do some activities.
We're gonna do a walking somewhere.
Getting coffee. The important things in life. Right now, everybody, we are on a scavenger hunt and we are looking for the fountain, which we have located. We have to take a picture there. And you know,
The fountain's over there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, I thought you put it over there.
No. I want to look at the Berlin Dome.
Oh.
We gotta take a picture. I think that our team's doing pretty well so far. We're the croissant crew. And in my opinion, we're in first place, but you know, we haven't seen any other groups.
Let it.
On our way to make our own chocolate bars at Ritter Sport. We'll let you know what we put in them and how they taste. How is everybody doing?
Just dandy. Actually, yeah.
Sure, we can filter it later. Chocolate bar?
Strawberry chips, coconut flakes, and almonds. Healthy.
I got raspberries and almonds and chili and milk chocolate. Why isn't it focusing? Excuse me. Trying it for the first time. Oh, good. Want to try a piece of mine?
Ooh, that's good.
I'm telling you. I know. I just make chocolate bars. Hey everyone. So we are back at the hotel. What time is it? Anyone know what time it is? Time update? Anybody? 7:51. It feels like it is 4 a.m. I'm gonna give you a room tour. We're in a really nice room. All the grade 12s together. So this is what you see when you walk in. We have 2 nice chairs, some hooks, a nice oh, this is such a good selfie mirror. We have some drawers. We got 2 sets of bunk beds. We got Olivia's set of bunk beds. We got my set of bunk beds. We got this nice big bed. We got, excuse me, we got this desk. We got another desk. We got this large bathroom. Guys, we could literally all do our makeup at the same time in here. There's so many mirrors. Like, look at this. But like not when people are showering. 2 showers. Why is there a plug in the shower? So anyways, we're going to bed now because it's been a really long day. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, March 10th, and I've already lost my voice because I'm sick again, because I can't go on vacation without being sick. So 7:08. A couple of us have been up since 5, since the jet lag. We're just getting ready. Then we're gonna go down for breakfast. Today we're doing a bus tour and a museum, and I'm gonna bring you with us. So let's go. Here at the East Side Gallery in Berlin, and we just had a little photo shoot, you know, taking some pics with the wall, gotta get that good Instagram. And we're on a bus tour and it's rainy, so our hair is getting really frizzy. I've been hyping up Milchschnitte for like days now, and Olivia's finally gonna try one. So we're gonna get her live reaction. Do you like it? I got the original one to try. It's my brother's favorite. The king one to try, that's my favorite. So I'm gonna eat the king one now. It's gotta be real. So it's like 10:30. I look like a potato. Everyone looks like a potato. Sarah's eating potato chips. I am way more sick than yesterday. I can't swallow, it really hurts. Can't breathe out of my nose, you know, just like green snot is just like flowing out of me like a faucet. But you know, it's okay. How snot, I had to Google how snot is, like, you know, where it comes from. And it's because like, so that's why you have so much. Anyways, just came in here. Sign out for the day. Tomorrow we are taking the train 6 hours to, are we going to Warsaw or Krakow? We're going to Warsaw, Poland, and I might die tonight. I feel so sick. But that's it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, March 11th, and today we are leaving Berlin and Germany, and we are going to Poland. I think we're in Poland for the longest on this trip. Where's our first stop? We're going to Warsaw first. It's 7:53. We got some grapes for the train. Sarah's also got some grapes. We're loaded up on snacks. We're ready to go. To the train station, and now we're gonna get some coffee. How's everyone feeling today? Is your jet lag gone, Rachel? No. Sarah, is your jet lag gone?
Yeah.
Olivia?
Yes.
Yay!